To add a video quiz, you would click on Add New and then click on Video Quiz. You can then decide what video you want the video quiz attached to. For example, if I wanted it on this slideshow, I would click Select, and then it would bring me to another window. Here I can edit my video quiz and add questions to a specific point. First, I would put it where I want it. So let's say I want it at 45 seconds. Or if you don't know where you want it, you can preview the video and then pause it wherever you want the question to be added. So here I would click Add Question now that I'm at my 45 seconds. And I can select from the following 4 types of questions: multiple choice, true or false, reflection point, or open-ended question. Let's go with a multiple choice question. Here, you can ask the question and type it in, and then where the green check mark is where the correct answer will have to be. So if the correct answer is B or whatever it is, you can make sure you put that in. You can also add choices by clicking the plus sign, and then you can move around the correct answer. So let's say you want it at the top or you want it at the bottom. You click these little 6 dots over here and you just drag it up or down. When you are done, you will click Save. And now this question has been added to your timeline on the video. Now I want to add a different question. So I'm going to put another question at 1.5 minutes, just about. And I'm going to click Add Question. Here I will click a true or false. So again, you type in the question, and then the correct answer will be the one with the check mark, and the wrong one will be with the red X. Unlike the multiple choice, the true and false, there's only 2 choices and you cannot add anything else. When you are done, you click Save. Now let's add another question. Let's add an open-ended question. So my open-ended question, I would type what it is, and then I would click Save. And then I usually like to save the reflection points at the end. Or if it's a very long video, I would have a reflection point in the middle and then also at the end. So I would click Add Question and add a reflection point, which is actually a video pause combined with text. So this will actually pause your video in order for you to be able to discuss with the class. And here I would just ask the question and then click Save. Done with all my questions, I can see them on my video timeline. So I can see that I have 4. If I do not want that one there, I can click on it and then I can move it around. Once I have moved it to the location I want, you have to make sure that you click Save. And this will save it on the timeline as well. Before you exit your video quiz, make sure that you fill in all the details to the left. So the tab where it says Details here, you would put in the quiz name and any welcome message. You can choose to show a welcome message or not by checking the box. You can also allow download of questions list, so you can allow the viewers to download the list of questions before starting the quiz, which you may not want, so you can just uncheck it. And also the instructions. Under scores, you can designate if you want your viewers to take the quiz more than once by clicking Allow Multiple Attempts, or if you don't want this, make sure that it's checked off. You can choose not to show the scores, or you can choose to show the scores, and a thank you message will display after they submit the quiz. You can also include the answers. So if you want them to know which answers they got incorrectly and which ones they should have been, you can click Include Answers. Then finally, the last tab on the bottom is experience, and you can allow answers to change. So you can allow them to change their answers before submitting the quiz by checking this on and off. You can allow skips or don't allow skips. And then you can check off no seeking forward, which means users will not be able to use the seek bar to navigate the video past the point they have viewed. You can also set an alert text for the seeking. Once you have completed all of this, you can click Done, and then you can go to your media page to view the quiz, or you can edit the quiz again, or if you want, you can preview the quiz. If I go to media page, I will see that I have a video with the same title, except there will be a hyphen and a quiz next to it. So that means this is my quiz. And if I click on my name and click my media, there is a copy here. So this is the original, and then this is the one that's a quiz. If I want my students to take the one that is the quiz, I would click on here, and then I would click share. When I click share, I can simply copy this and then paste it in my Canvas page. So if I copy this and I copy the URL at the top, these are identical. So either one you copy is fine. And again, to edit any quiz, I would go back to my media. I would find the one that says quiz, and I can either delete it or go back into it to edit the questions.